Hello everyone, greetings to you. You're so highly welcome to Starber Mike YouTube page. Once again, my name is Designer Michael Fane and I'm based in Abuja. And today, I just want to teach you guys how to make this trending design, how to apply zip on the down of this trouser to achieve this result as seen here. So without wasting much time, I would like for us to get straight into it. But before you do that, please engage with this video, please. Let me know where you're watching from, and if you have not subscribed, if you're a new viewer, please just hit the subscribe button, because I'm just a new page, just trying to gain subscribers and watch hours. So help me to like the video and help me comment. Tell me where you're watching from. That having been said and done, let's get straight into the video. So you can see that I already cut my trouser in the normal way you cut the trouser. If you want it to be a normal cigarette pants, you're going to cut it down to the size that you want. Just normally cut it the way. And this place I'm folding is the 2 inches extra allowance that will add on the down of the trouser. I ironed that for emphasis purpose so that you will know what I am doing. Now the down of my trouser is 8.5. That's about 17 inches because it has to be big for this design. Now we're going to find the center of that 17 inches. So for lack of a chalk, I just notched that place so that I can know where the center of the trouser is, because the zip that I'm going to apply on that trouser has to be right straight down to achieve perfect results. So after determining the center of the front of the trouser, this is the front of the trouser, please take note. After determining the center of the front of the trouser, you still use the iron to iron it so that you can have a straight line there that you will walk with. And that is what I'm doing now. So after giving that a good ironing, you can see that I have a straight line down the center of the trouser. Next, we're going to apply facing to that part of the trouser to make it thicker than the other parts of the trouser, because we're going to be stitching the zip onto it. So I have to reinforce that part of the trouser. So I'm going to, this is my paper gum, I'll just trim it and then apply it on the inside of the trouser all the way down. Just do it the way you've seen me doing it, all the way to the down of the trouser, and then you iron that. So you just always try to maintain the center of the trouser. So I'm just going to re-iron this side to get the center so that I can trim that place up for the zip. So the zip you're going to be using is an iron zip, the type that is used for jeans trouser. You can select whatever color you like, silver or gold. For me, I went for gold. So I'm still folding that 2 inches extra allowance on the down of the trouser. Now to the sewing machine. This is the zip that we're going to be using. So this is how you're going to achieve the length. You place this on that center part, and then you're going to use a writing material, either a biro or a pen or chalk. You're going to mark where the zip stops. Mind you, we are stopping at the 2 inches line. We're not going to put the zip all the way down to the extra 2 inches on the down of the trouser. Please note, we're not going to put the zip all the way to the extra 2 inches of the down of the trouser. That is why we made a line from where the 2 inches started, because we're going to be folding that part inwards after all. It's out of the game. Our zip will not extend down to the extra 2 inches on the down of the trouser. I hope that is clear. Now you see me, this is me cutting the center of the trouser. Now you have to notch that place as seen. If you notch it cleanly, you're going to see that V shape. Now this is me. You see that I've almost divided this trouser on that down part. I've separated it. Now look at that 2 inches there that we're going to fold. Now we're going to apply the zip. If you have zipper foot, this is going to be easy for you, and then you can just easily use that to apply the zip. Otherwise, you could also use a normal zipper foot to apply this if you are an expert like me. Just kidding. But also, if you would like to learn how to use the normal zipper foot to apply invisible zip, I also have a video on that, and I'm going to share the link in the description so that you can go on and check that out. I have a lot of videos on my channel that you can check out, so make sure you just go through the channel and consume what is valuable to you. So after placing the zip in the appropriate manner, I'm just going to go on ahead and stitch it. Please make sure that your stitches are close to the zip. Make sure your stitches are close to the zip. But you also have to be careful at this point, because the zip you're using is actually an iron zip, and if your needle mistakenly hits it, you know that it's going to break your needle. So you need to be very careful if you're using a double normal pressure foot. But if you have an invisible zip fixer, you can use that, and that'll be easy for you. So I'm just going to take my time to do this, but then I'm still going to fast forward this video to save your data. So I'm done with the other part. Now I'm going to stitch the second side of the zip. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if this video has provided value for you, please, I need you to hit the like button. Do you know that you liking this video is even more important to me than your subscription? So just help me hit the like button, and also let me know where you're seeing this video from. Just comment down in the comment section. Tell me which country you're viewing this video from. Thank you. So you just watch closely to see the way I turned the fabric in order to carry out the second side of the stitches. So you just place it like so. Make sure it aligns well, and then you take your time slowly to stitch it all the way to the notch. So you can see that this application of this zip is actually very easy, but then you have to be careful. Now we're just going to try to see the functionality of the zip before we go to the table to iron it. Meanwhile, you note that we have stitched both the sides. Now we're going to stitch that notch part. So I'm using the seam ripper to push in the notch so that it will align at the edge of the zip, so that I can stitch it down to hold the zip in place. Now look at this. This is the result I will have. So now I'm going to go on ahead and I'll make sure that my stitches are as close to the zip as I want. Now after doing that, this is what we have here. This is the result. Now what is left is for me to just take this to the table and to iron it. And then for every other thing, you go on and weave your trouser, and then you just sew it the normal way that you do your trousers. And that will be it for this one. Just go on and do your trousers in the normal way that you weave it and join the front and the back, and do everything as usual. And that'll be it for this one. So please subscribe, like this video, let me know where you're watching from. So this is the result of what we have done. Here it is. Here it is. You can actually close this up or open it as you like. So thank you for watching this video. May God bless you in your various endeavors. More money to your account, more wisdom to your brain. Catch you in the next one. Bye.